So here is the inspirational quotes by Tony Robbins. Identify your problems, but give your power and energy to solution. Your past does not equal your future. The most people fail in the life because they measure in minor things. It is what you practice in private that you will be rewarded for in public. We can change our lives, we can do, have, and be exactly what we wish. Leaders spend 5% of their time on the problems and 90% on their time on the solution. Get over it and crush it. Setting goals is the first step in turning the invisible into the visible. The quality of your life is the quality of your relationships. If you want to be successful, find someone who has achieved the result you want and copy what they do, and you will achieve the same result. Every problem is a gift. Without problems, we would not grow. Things do not have meaning. We assign meaning to everything. Setting goal is the first step in turning the invisible into the visible. It is not what you get, but who we become, what we contribute to get meaning of our lives. We can change our lives, we can do, have, and be exactly what we wish. Using the power of decision gives you the capacity to get past and excuse to change and every part of your life in an instant. Lack of emotion causes lack of progress and lack of motivation. Most of the people fails in their life because they measure in minor things. Commit to can, constant and never-ending improvement. Where focus goes, energy flows. Why live an ordinary life when you can live an extraordinary life? Life is found in the dance between your deepest desire and your greatest fear. The secret to living is giving. There is always a way if you are committed. Whatever happens, take responsibility. Passion is the genius of the genius. Lasting change is different than a goal. You don't always get your goal, but you always get your standards. Everybody got a past. The past does not equal the future unless you live there. Life is found in the dance between your deepest desire and your greatest fear. Thank you so much.